Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another A Trades. Today's date is December the 27th. First off, I want to wish everybody happy holidays. And what makes it super happy, at least for me, while I'm using my Pip Sniper trading system, I am actually trading on a bank holiday. And don't let anybody else telling you don't trade during the holidays. Well, I love trading during the holidays because there's a lot of ticks, pips, and money to be made. As you can see here on the Forex Factory, Tuesday, December the 27th, the pound, the CAD, it's a bank holiday. So, guess what I did? I traded the pound CAD. Along with other pound pairs and Canadian pairs. So like I said, money to be made if the market is open. As you can see, pound CAD, euro CAD, other pound pairs, and of course my favorite instruments that move the most and pay the most. The last four down here at the bottom. So I'm using my Pip Sniper system that many months after I did the videos for it, I added the Super Signal Indicator. This is truly a magic indicator as far as I'm concerned, as it really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now this is great for traders who love to scalp the markets on the 5-minute time frame. In other words, you can trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. And just to prove my point, I'll back it up to yesterday. I decided not to trade yesterday because I had other things going on, family in visiting us. But just to show you, when the charts look messy like this, and once you understand how to read the charts, now this is the pound CAD from yesterday. Every time, like I know exactly how to trade this. And I teach exactly how to trade this way within the training videos. Like here's a sell signal producing 10 pips. Remember what I said, great for scalping. Sell signal, 26 pips. Another sell signal producing 23 pips. You get the idea. But when the charts kind of look messy, but if I want to scalp, that's how I would do it. But just to let you know, I'd rather wait until I see nice smooth charts like this. See the difference? Smooth. My mentor used to call, when charts look like this, the candles, they would call them daddy long legs. Remember, there's truly 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You need a lot of chart time. You need a lot of demo trading. You need a lot of education. Because without education, you will fail. And by the way, I have over $80,000 worth of education on my computer. So I can certainly provide you with a lot of education, which is what you're going to need. And don't forget, you need a daily trade plan. So on this Pip Sniper, which uses momentum, once it changes colors from blue to red, you'll get a pop-up alert right here, like where it says pound yen momentum cross up alert. And the arrows are the other ones here that just says either buy or sell alert. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, including today, I'm up in front of the computer taking a screenshot of my daily trade plan expert advisor. We can take a look at that. Here it is here. Now I sold everything this morning. You can see the times here. A lot of them was right at 7:27, the 4 at the bottom. And I closed them all out around the same time, 42 and 43, 8:42, 8:43. So I took a screenshot of it, and you can see a lot of red in here. And of course, there's a lot of them that are preferred. And once we get into the preferred, it means more of the time frames are either red or blue. Not much blue today, but once it says preferred, more of the boxes are, well, if it's red, then we're selling or going down. This, I would never trade without a daily trade plan. This is after 18 years, this is by far the easiest and the best daily trade plan I've ever had. I love it, and it's set. The settings are set up for day trading, which you can change it to swing trading, position trading. So whatever kind of a trader you want to be, you can program it and it'll give you those readings. I like to get in, manage the trade, close the trade, and be done after 1 to 3 hours. So in other words, I'm a day trader. I'm not truly a scalper, but you will find the odd trade that is like, 2 to 10 pips. But as you can clearly see, well, this one right here was just kind of scalping. But it's whenever I look at the total here and I know that I got 200 or more pips and ticks, I just close out the trades and I'm done trading for the day. But this one happened to be, when I close it, basically just scalping. So on this, we can look at some of these trades. On the pound dollar, I wanted to be selling it. There's the arrow. Did qualify for a great way to trade. And like I mentioned, today's a bank holiday. Don't let anybody tell you, oh, it's too hard to trade on bank holidays. I love trading bank holidays because, I don't know, what's wrong with, 300-400 pips. I don't know about you, but I'm happy with that. Anyhow, pound dollar. And of course, if I stayed in the trade, this would have passed the range of scalping, which is 2 to 10 pips. So looking at the money, since it pays $10 on the first two right here, actually, because the USD is on the right hand side, pays $10 for each pip. So this has to be 9. Could have made around 30, 29 or 30. But there's the 9. So 9 times 10 times 10 lots, that paid out $900. Trading is super easy and a lot of fun using my system that has the super signal indicator and of course the daily trade plan to point me in the direction if I should be buying and or selling. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which was the euro dollar. Now on this euro dollar here, it also pays $10. Looking at the money, $10 for each pip. So this should be, euro dollar should be 13. There's the arrow from my daily trade plan. There's the arrow to be selling. This is where I actually saw it. And of course, if I was still in the trade, I'd be up more than 13. I'd be up 28. But here's the 13. So it's 13 times the $10 times the lots, paid out $1,300. And I just happen to be running a check on my YouTube channel also. This video is video number 999. So if I'm trading tomorrow, which I hope to trade tomorrow, if not tomorrow, will be the next day, it'll be my 1,000th video. So I'm happy for that also. Still around, still producing the pips and the ticks after many years. Next trade, pound CAD. Let's see, pound CAD. Another one, qualified for a great way to trade, wanted to be selling. There's the arrow, super signal arrow. Like trading is super easy and a lot of fun, especially with this super signal, which relies on the data information from the 4 indicators down at the bottom. It really catches the beginning of the cycle. Went up, blue, red, arrow, get in. Can trading be any easier than that? So that's your setup candle. right here, that's your trigger candle where the arrow is. I got in, not too bad. I could have got in when the candle first opened, but you'll realize if you're trying to do 5, 10 or more trades at a time, you're not going to get the timing right, but as long as you know the direction of the trend, well, you're going to have a high success rate. Took the trade at this cursor, didn't go too much against me, 10 pips or so. I would be up if I'm in the trade 59 or 60. And let's see, that looks like 30 pips I locked in. 30 pips times the money. On the pound cat, it pays less than $10 for each pip. That and times the lots paid out $2,219. Okay, let's move on to the next trade. Euro CAD. Let's go and get it. Another one qualified for a great way to trade. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. It's the white one. Now the red ones are part of the super signal. Everything very clear. From this point, I knew I was going to be selling, and I was 95% sure it's going to drop. Now, it could have just dropped to here, hooked around and gone up. But that's why you have to have trade management in order and money management in order. So these are all, in other words, you have to learn how to trade the right way. As I said, setup candle, trigger candle, got in. And if I was in the trade now, it would be around 57 pips. But at this point, I was happy with 37. So 37 pips times the money times the lots paid out $2,811. Okay, moving on to the next trade. Now we're getting into the futures, indices. These last four here, they're correlated, just in case you didn't know. If you buy or sell one, you can do the same to the other three. It happens not 100% of the time, and that's why you have to look at what does the charts look like. And then, but most of the time, they'll look very, very similar. And so that's exactly what I did. Sold one, sold all three. So I knew just by looking at this chart in real time, and I give away these advanced trading tips within the training videos, like what to look for to pinpoint whether it's going to go up or down. Here's the arrow. Now this one did not qualify when I took the trade as a great way to trade, but it still turned into a good trade. Now I took the money and divided it by 5 because it pays $5 for each tick. The calculator says it's 93. I could have made well over 100 if I was still in the trade. So I took the trade at this cursor, and let's see, like I said, well over 100, 155. But I was happy at this point with 93. There's the 93 ticks. So take the 93 times the 5 times the lots, paid out $4,650. Okay, moving on to the next trade, the S&P 500. It's another one that pays $5 for each tick. Charts look exactly the same. I knew it was going to go down. So I took the money, divided it by 5. The calculator says it's 127. 127. And we're getting close. Oh, looks like that's as close as I'm going to get. 126.9. But anyhow, rounding it a little bit up, that would be 127. Times the $5, times the lots, paid out $6,375. Love trading these last 4 instruments. Matter of fact, I love trading from crude oil. I love trading all of them. Moving on to the Russell. Russell pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, it should be 84. 84 ticks. So let's see where I got in at. Should be able to tell by now. all the charts from the Dow Jones down looks exactly, well, I haven't got to the NASDAQ yet, but the first three here look exactly the same. And I knew it was going to go down. Setup candle, trigger candle. Don't you just love this super signal? Get in the trade. And what I say, 84. Down at the bottom here is 128 about. And, well, 184. Oh, I got it close enough. You remove the last digit. It's 84 times the $10 times the lots paid out $8,400. Moving on to the last trade, it's the NASDAQ. This one pays $20 for each tick. Took the money, divided by 20. So if you can almost do it in the head, 94 divided by 2, it's 47. So it's 47. So let's see, 47. And this one looks very similar to like the last one, but actually the price action was further down from the goal line. But I was really sure it's going to drop, which it did. There's the 47. You remove the last two digits. 47 times 20 times the lots paid out $9,420. So another great day of trading during this bank holiday. I knew it was going to be over 300 for sure. And I added up everything and it turned out to be 440. Most of them were ticks, but pips and ticks. And those 440 paid out $36,075. So if your system is not producing on a daily basis, well, I recommend you get the Pip Sniper system along with the daily trade plan. Don't forget, you need a daily trade plan. If you look right below this video, you'll see 4 packages. And if you buy any 2, I'll give you one of them of the other 2 for free. So on the right here, it's a Pip Sniper system. I do charge $250 actually for each individually. Each package is $250. So let's just say you bought these 2. This one right here has over 3 gigabytes of training, so there's a lot of education in here. And you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform, and there is 3 gigabytes worth of training, 22 videos about 30 minutes long each. Now the one on the left side here comes with the Daily Trade Plan EA Expert Advisor and 3 templates. I did all the settings for you, whether you got a laptop or a desktop or a bigger monitor, whatever the case may be. And there's 3 videos here focusing on 3 different time frame sessions, along with the Expert Advisor. So let's say you bought these 2, you can take one of the next 2 for free. Keep in mind, you can put the video on pause at any point in time and read. You can read it over more slowly. There is more writing here, as I was not allowed to. They only let you put in so many characters, and I couldn't put everything in there. That's why I'm showing it here. So this is the super signal indicator. The system, I just call it Easy Trader. You can use this system as it says right here, as is. 3 videos focusing on the super signal indicator. And of course, on the left here, this one has a lot of training, education, advanced trading tips, over 2 gigabytes. There's 20 videos between 20 and 30 minutes long each. And I show you all the steps I go through as I'm trading, starting with my Daily Trade Plan EA, and a lot of different subjects I focus on here. Really should pick up your learning curve as far as trading the markets. So there's 4 packages, and I recommend all 4, but I'll give you one of them for free. So the training videos are in the Pip Sniper system and the How I Trade Live. Lots of gigabytes here. 2 gigabytes here, 3 gigabytes here. So there's a lot of videos. So let's see now. You can read everything here. And of course, if you have any questions, simple, just pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. Again, if you don't want to call me, that's fine. Just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore right here. Now, I do prefer Skype. I made it really easy for you. Just click on this link, and then we'll have Skype, a Skype connection, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll answer your questions, give you some tips and tricks, and keep in mind I do all of that with no obligation to you. So, looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, until the next trading day and video, well, should be tomorrow. Between now and then, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, happy holidays, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.